Yo, what is up? It's your boy Kengo. YG Kengo back at it again with a cup of tea. Today, you're watching Garman teen gets paralyzed in car crash. What happened next is shocking. It's a 22-minute video, so sit back, relax, and kick it with Kengo. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. I haven't reacted to Darman in a while, but I chose to because somebody wanted me to watch it. Shout out to Sophie, but yeah, here we are.
You got this, baby. Come on, yeah. Go.
There you go. There you go. That's how we do it, baby.
Yes.
Alright, this is a true story, so yeah.
Oh, that was a close one.
Yeah,
Ooh.
but it's a good thing you didn't give up. Yeah. So next time you match up with Stanley.
You're next, little man.
Hey, don't let him intimidate you. You've taken down guys twice his size. And after you beat him, you're gonna be #1 in the league. Come on, let's go celebrate. Let's go to Darla's.
Really? I mean, sure we got enough money for that, Mom?
Don't you worry about that. Come on, this is on me.
Okay.
Good job.
All right, yeah.
You know, when you started, I knew you were gonna be the best.
Oh, well, it hasn't always been easy, you know. Everyone kept telling me that I was too small and weak to compete. Said it'd be impossible for me to win.
Well, what did I always say? Where there's a will, there's a way.
There's a way, yes, I remember.
And you made a way. Now eat up.
Well, aren't you? There's enough for the both of us.
That's okay, honey. You needed way more than I do. You're the one that was wrestling all day.
Well, so is someone else?
No, I'm fine. Don't worry about me. I'm good.
Excuse me.
Could we please get the check?
Yeah, absolutely. Can I get you guys any dessert?
Oh, yes. Can we try that, what's it called, Mom? That chocolate overload cake?
You know what? I think we're gonna pass on the dessert. If we could just get the check.
Sure.
Oh ads. You know what that means? She wants to pass on the check, though. She got no P. And a P.
I'm so sorry, Theo. I didn't bring enough money for dessert. And I didn't want to have to tell you, but my boss cut my hours at work. Things are going to get tight for a while. More tight. Almost all of my money is gonna have to go toward the rent and our credit card debt. Don't worry, it's not forever. I'm already looking for a part-time job.
All right. What if I got a job too? I could quit wrestling and that would make time.
No. I will never let you quit wrestling. That has been something you've always dreamed about. Look, this is my responsibility. Okay? I am going to do everything I can to make sure that you have everything you need.
After I get recruited, I promise you I'm gonna make so much money you'll never have to worry about this again.
I know, baby. You're the best son a mother could ask for.
Car's not gonna start, is it? Oh, wait, it's not.
Mom, you have no gas.
They should be depositing my paycheck tomorrow, and I'll get some in. But for now, I have enough to take you home and to take you to your match in the morning.
What if you run out of gas, though? No, Mom, here, just
Nuh-uh.
take your cash for that.
Put that away. I'm not letting you pay for anything, and that's final.
When I buy you a Tesla one day, the last thing you'll have to worry about is gas. Call her. Hello?
Hello, may I speak with Theo?
Yeah, this is Theo. Who's this?
My name is David. I'm a recruiter. Wanted to talk to you about some sponsorship opportunities.
What? What is...
1 second. It's... Focus on the road, Mom. Uh-huh.
Oh, so you're interested?
Absolutely, yes, that sounds great. Yeah.
Okay, is there someone that I can give this information to?
Just my mom. She's driving right now, though, so she can't talk.
Well, let me talk to her.
I'll be back to
Speaker.
Hello?
Hello, my name is David, and I'm a recruiter specializing in wrestling. I was given this phone number by Coach Chris, and I'd like to offer Theo a sponsorship.
You're kidding.
Not at all. Your son has raw talent, and I want to take him to the next level. If you and Theo are interested, I can even offer him $25,000 up front.
$25,000? Yes, 1,000 times yes.
Right, fantastic. I'll come to tomorrow's match, and we can go over the details. Have a great night.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Well, I gotta make sure I'm recording, man. Can't lack. Yeah. Alright, that's good.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm gonna get recruited and get sponsored. Like,
I always knew you could do
oh my gosh, I'm like still in shock, right? This is the best. Oh my god, Mom, what the? Still in shock, right? This is the best. Oh my god, Mom, what the?
I can't laugh, man. It's a true story. Oh Lord.
Mom, what the?
Yo. Damn.
Mom?
You awake?
That's a mom's fault, man.
Where am I?
You're in the hospital, sweetheart. We were in a terrible accident.
How long was I asleep for?
It's been a little over a day. The doctors had to put you under to do a surgery.
Wait, what? Wait, what about the tournament? I didn't miss it, did I?
Don't worry about that, honey. That's not important. What's important is that you're gonna be okay.
What? What important? What are you talking about? What about the recruiter? Didn't he say he was gonna see the tournament? Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, it hurts. Everywhere.
Please don't worry about anything. Theo, just please relax. Just...
Can't feel my legs.
Mom? Why can't I feel my legs?
The doctors will be back in any second. And if you just...
My legs. I can't feel them. What's going on? What's happening to me, Mom?
You know, just...
I can't feel my legs. Am I gonna be like this forever? Am I paralyzed? Doc, hey, what happened to me? What happened?
Theo,
I need you to be strong for me right now, okay? And I'll explain everything. Can you do that?
Okay.
You were in a very bad car accident. An oncoming truck hit you guys. The driver fell asleep, and when he woke up, he tried to swerve, but he collided with you guys on the passenger side of your mom's car.
Bro, are you sleeping in your
it
truck
was a hit and
driver, bro?
run.
What the hell?
The driver took off before the police could get any information. When the ambulance arrived, you were unconscious. We had to perform emergency surgery in your back to save your life, but unfortunately, the impact to your lumbar vertebrae, your lower back, resulted in paralysis below the waist.
No. No. That can't be true. No, please. Please tell me that can't be true. But I'll recover, right? Like, I'll get back to walking and wrestling and stuff in a couple weeks or something, right?
I'm sorry, Theo. Due to the severity of your injury, the studies give you about a 2% chance of ever being able to walk again. I'm going to be transparent with you. You'll likely be in a wheelchair for the rest of your life.
Into the good part, you just show me this nonsense. What the fuck? That's sad.
Theo?
Theo, can you try moving them at all?
No. So frustrating.
It's okay.
Put me back. Put me back.
It's only been a month. We'll just keep trying. Okay?
It's okay, baby. I'll take them now. Thank you.
I'm just saying, if it was a surgery, he would have them shorts on again. I'm just saying. He wouldn't be naked. I mean, no, he would be naked, but like, you know what I'm saying? It's dark, man, so that I'm sure that you get me.
Answer your question. No. I'm not okay. I hate being stuck here. And all I can think of is wrestling. I can't believe I have to give up on all of my dreams.
You do not have to give up on all of your dreams. You don't have to give up on anything. There are a lot of things that you can do. You could be a writer or a programmer.
All I've ever wanted to be was a wrestler, Mom.
Well, you can do that too. There are other leagues.
I don't want to compete in another league, Mom. I want to compete in my league. Right after I almost got the sponsorship, too. That could have changed everything for us. I can't believe my life ended up like this.
Well, there's still hope. The doctor said that there's a 2% chance of you walking again. And I have always told you, when there's a will...
There ain't no way, Mom! I've been working as hard as possible since I've got here, and I've made no progress, none. Let's just be honest. I'm never gonna walk again. Can you hand me a tissue, please?
What was that? In your purse?
Notice.
Don't lie to me. Mom, that said eviction notice. Didn't it? Tell me the truth.
Our insurance wouldn't cover the rest of your treatments. So I haven't been paying the rent. But I don't want you to worry. I have been looking for a second job.
So then where are you gonna stay? With Grandma? You staying with Grandma?
No, I want to be as close to you as I can.
Okay, so then you're staying in the car. You're in the car, right?
It was totaled. So I've been catching the bus to get here.
Oh, no.
So then where are you gonna stay?
I don't know. I don't know. There's some local shelters around. I'll probably end up at that.
No. That's...
I just can't believe I may not have a home for you to come home. I'm a terrible mom.
No. 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 Hey, Mom. You're not.
Oh,
You're the best mom I could ever ask for. Right? You've always been there for me and supported me through everything. I just don't want you to give up hope, okay?
okay.
How long left for this video, bro?
On one condition. You can't give up hope either. All right? No matter what. That you keep fighting.
She's getting killed, lads.
You have done things that other people said was impossible. This is no different. As long as you don't give up. Can you promise me that? Okay.
Right now, yeah. Don't give up hope, bro. Whatever's going on, bro, don't give up hope, bro. When there's a will, there's a way. I swear to God.
Theo decides from that moment forward, no matter what happens, he's going to keep trying. He keeps doing physical therapy. It isn't easy. He constantly feels frustrated at the lack of progress. After months of work, he still can't move any of his lower body. Many times he feels like giving up.
Looks like he looks like he's smiling.
But remembering his promise to his mom, he keeps on fighting. Eventually, he's able to move his toes. And then, his foot. After months of hard work, he's able to start walking a little. Everyone's shocked at all the progress he's making. His mom couldn't be more proud. And then after a lot of time of intense therapy, he's even able to go back to pursuing his dream.
No.
Do you want to discover how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without showing my face, without getting in front of a camera?
I thought the doctor said it would be near impossible for you to...
Well, if there's a...
It's lagging. Oh.
I thought the doctor said it would be near impossible for you to...
Well, if there's one thing anyone should know about my boy, that he'd never let anyone telling him something's impossible stop him.
So you came to watch?
Yeah.
And the wrestle.
Came to wrestle.
Oh.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. Maybe you should take some time.
All I've had is time. Respectfully, sir, I don't want to wait anymore. Hey, yo, Stanley!
Yeah?
Let's roll.
Are you sure that that's
Long overdue.
What is this?
Me in the middle? Shake hands?
Russell, you sure about this, Theo? Don't want to have to send you back to the hospital.
Or maybe I'll even send you to the hospital.
Come on, get up.
Finish him!
Get up, you can get up. Yeah.
Nice, you got this, man.
Come on, take him down, take him down. Yeah.
What is this?
Come on, get up. Get up, you can get up.
He didn't get pinned. Wait. No, he didn't. He didn't get pinned. Look. That don't count as a pin. Listen, yeah. When's the pin count to 1, 2, 3? When both shoulders are down on the mat, yeah. As you can see, shoulders up, mate. So that's not a pin. That don't count. Don't count.
Oh, you did good, man.
Thanks, Coach.
Oh, I'm so proud.
I can't believe I lost.
What? You were so amazing.
No. Let me just go back to how they were celebrating. Look. Why they're celebrating? Because it just beat a recovering paralyzed brother family. He's celebrating like he just won the championship. Grow up, bro. Grow up, bro.
I can't believe I lost.
What? You were so amazing. Especially since it's been so long since you wrestled. You don't know where you can be. And
I gotta say,
David.
I'm very impressed, Theo. And this is your first match back, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Sorry,
Who are you?
We spoke a few years ago, prior to your accident.
a few years ago.
Which I'm very sorry about, by the way.
are you the recruiter?
Yes, ma'am. I was talking to your coach. He told me about your journey over the past few years. And I gotta say, it's the most inspiring story I've ever heard in my life.
Thank you. Yeah, I just wish I hadn't missed out on that scholarship opportunity. Yeah, that really could have changed our lives.
Missed out. If anything, the opportunity's gotten bigger. If you're still interested, I can probably get you $50,000 now.
What is this, some sort of joke or something?
Not at all. Brands all over the world are
That's the
looking
same
for
thing.
inspirational stories like yours. And if you wrestle like you did today, that number's only gonna get bigger.
Oh my God. You know what this means? It means that we don't have to live in a shelter anymore. Oh my God. No. Because of us. Sir, just out of curiosity, if I were to become #1 in state, around how much would I be making from that?
#1 in the state. Well, there's a lot of great wrestlers here in the state. I don't want to get your hopes up because that might be impossible.
You must not know my son.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that?
Oh, she got food as well, man.
This pasta is so good. So good. Almost as good as the pasta you make it. I'm not quite, though.
Yeah. Well, you know.
Listen, yeah. Let me just. I got some things to say about this pasta. Yeah.
Pasta.
Look, bro. There's barely any pasta there, and you say, this pasta's so good. Nigga, that's roughly about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly about 8, 9 pennies, bro. Pennies of pasta.
This pasta is so good. So
It's got
good.
something pasta
Almost
like you can
as
just eat
good
it,
as the
yeah.
pasta you make it. I'm not quite, though.
Not quite. Why is wearing that
Well,
leather
no.
jacket as well, bro?
I did want to open a restaurant.
No.
That'll probably never happen.
Why not?
Because of how much it costs and it takes a lot of time. I'm not in my 20s anymore.
So? A wise person once told me.
When there's a will, there's a way.
There's a way.
There's
Not
a
if there's
way.
a will. Just when
Exactly.
there's a will.
Can I get you guys anything else?
What is that?
Yes, can we have a dessert menu, please?
Awesome. Then don't even think about paying for it, Mom. I got it. Okay.
I
Got a
know
whole
you got
Apple
it,
Watch and
baby.
shit, bro.
And I am not gonna fight with you about that anymore. I was just actually looking for my keys.
Oh, right. You won't be needing those anymore, actually. Huh?
No.
Mm-hmm. Hey. I told you that one day you wouldn't have to worry about paying for gas anymore.
What the fuck this nigga come up in my face like that, bro? Look at his head, fam. Ah, almost brought a tear to my eyes, man. When there's a will, there's a way. I'm telling you, man. Listen up, man. I'ma go. Been your boy, YG Kango. I'll be back next Monday. If not next Monday, then I'm back for another 2 years. I'll be back in another 2 years, man. Safe.